razor sharp, durable blade. Safe and comfortable grip and easy portability is the fixed blade you need to consider. OERLA OLK 037B Outdoor EDC Fixed Blade Camping Hunting Knife will be your utility cutting knife master. With a 4.74 mm thickness, full-tang blade profile that makes it a push-cut master. The OLK 037B blade thickness is 4.74 mm, 8.86 inch of overall length. The length of the blade from the tip to the front of the guard is 4.46 inch. The handle length of 4.13 inch, and it has a knife weight of 8.2 ounces. Engineered from 440C stainless steel adopted a blackstone wash, undergoes expert heat treatment, precise cryogenic tempering, increases the steel's crystalline structure, enhancing strength, flexibility, and hardness. The edge is sharpened under a 3-step water grinding method and completed with bleeding edge technology, and boasts a perfectly controlled edge grinding at a 17-degree angle per side. Provide all the razor-sharp cutting you need and hold a performance edge over time. The high-quality black G10 handle, ergonomic handle for a tension-free grip offer ultimate comfort and cutting agility. Non-slip grip, impervious to heat, cold, sweat, and all the comfort you will need. The lightweight Kydex material sheath with a universal clip can be adjusted to be carried horizontal or vertical. You can also use the removable and adjustable spacers on the clip to fit it to any belt size for easy portability. OERLA OLK 037B is the essential outdoor EDC camping knife and the perfect gift for yourself, friends, outdoors enthusiasts, and anyone who loves outdoor camping or hunting. OERLA Knives, OLK 037B Fixed Blade.
Next, we have the LiteMax, Snow Peak's second entry into the backpacking market. It's our lightest and most compact ultralight stove in our backcountry series.
The Katadyn Pocket is the most rugged and longest lasting filter available. It is built for a lifetime of use. In fact, the Pocket is the only water filter that comes with a lifetime warranty. Most water filter cartridges last around 200 gallons. The Pocket's unique silver ceramic cartridge lasts up to 13,000 gallons. That's over 60 times more durable than a typical water filter. The Pocket filter is easy to use. Simply place the input hose and pre-filter into any untreated water. Connect the output hose to your water container and pump. The ceramic filter removes harmful microorganisms and sediment. The Pocket filter performs in the most challenging conditions. It is easily cleaned to restore flow rate. Katadyn's ceramic cartridge can be cleaned over and over again. That's why it lasts so long. For maximum flexibility, the Pocket filter works with a wide variety of water containers. It can even pump directly into a hydration pack. The Pocket filter is the best choice if you are looking for a lifetime product. It is the highest quality, longest lasting water filter available.
This is the DoubleDown from Gerber. The DoubleDown is unlike any other tool in the market. It combines the features of a knife, a machete, and a hatchet all in one compact package. During development, we obsessed over durability, knowing it needed to withstand years of extreme impact while still delivering finesse. The butterfly opening mechanism has gears to enable controlled and safe deployment to nearly double in size. The DoubleDown is built for 3 activities: chopping, splitting, and core knife work. For your splitting tasks, we added jimping to the spine of the blade so that when you baton, all that energy is transferred straight into the wood. Whether you're clearing brush or small trees, the length of the DoubleDown optimizes your force at impact. For core knife work, choking up on the handle gives complete control over the slightly recurved blade. The quad lock system is both safe and intuitive, with a built-in stop to remind users to clear their fingers from the path of the blade. For added strength and performance, features include a stability bar and an overstrike guard. It's available in 3 colors and comes with a multi-mount sheath that can be worn vertically on the belt or attached to MOLLE webbing. This hybrid tool is proudly made in the USA and ready for the outdoors.